Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the Folkmanis Cocker Spaniel stage puppet. Alright, this one will not disappoint. Here we have mine. She has an added accessory. I put this on. She has a nice little bow here. I just thought it would make her look more pretty. This is my girl, Sarah Spaniel. So let's take a look. First off, she is very soft here, very soft wispy fur here on the front, this white stuff. She also has some nice brown wispy type fur on the back and the head and the ears. The ears are very soft. Soft puppet, also her paws are nice. We have control of her head, her neck, and her hands. For her hands, it's also very nice and tight, where you can get one good finger in there in each hand, so you can have a little more precise movement. Yeah. She has a very big tongue. Nice nose. I really love the shape of her mouth. Isn't that adorable? The way it looks is very, very cute. She has this nice little, almost like a diamond shape, white patch of fur here. Very cute. Yeah, she's very beautiful. If you're a Lady and a Tramp fan, you will definitely love this Cocker Spaniel. So there you go. Thank you all so much for watching.